Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to Ljubljana. Why I love morning walk in Ljubljana is because it allows me to arrive to myself. And this is exactly what we were doing for the last 8 weeks. I'm really honored to be a part of this large-scale scientific research project called ABSR International, Activity-Based Stress Relief. Participants all over the world were doing the same exercises in October and November, and I would really like to thank Isto Kortiš, Simona Pajk, Eurythmy for You and University of Bern to support me to bring this project into Waldorf School to teachers and parents. The project aims to investigate the level of stress before, during and after 8-week seminar, and participants were doing everyday eurythmy exercises and also everyday exercises from the Rudolf Steiner lecture, Overcoming Nervousness. Once a week we met in person and we shared our experiences, our challenges, struggles, but also we gave each other love and support. And together with my participants, we were trying to get answers to a few questions. For example, how can we come from the state of unhealthy codependency, nervousness, anxiety, separation, loneliness and depression into a state of independency where we can really take full responsibility for our lives and ourselves? And from that state, how can we go beyond that to interdependency, where we can connect on a deeper level? Where can we allow divine wisdom and divine love, which is pure and whole, to enter this space which lives between us and surroundings.
Vesel sem, da smo lahko sodelovali pri izvedbi tega projekta in da je pravzaprav bil zelo odziven med zaposlenimi in med starši. In seveda upam, da to ne bo samo dvomesečni projekt, ampak da bodo vsaki našli kaj zanimivega in da bodo s tem nadaljevali še potem v bodoče.
I will leave you with a question: how can we really support each other and heal through love and compassion?